Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm very excited to do a depth comparison between the new MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro. This is my MacBook Pro, okay? The latest version comes with the touch bar and the touch ID, okay? And after this comparison video, I'm going to share my recommendation whether you should buy the Air or the Pro, or which one is more suitable for your everyday life. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into this. As you know, the new MacBook Air has just been unveiled. As expected, it has changed tremendously. It is light and thin, making it look gorgeous. It comes with 3 different colors: the silver, space gray, and the rose gold. Okay, so now it's time to look at what are the differences between the Air and the Pro. First of all, let's take a look at the same existent features from these 2 flagships. Well, both of them are equipped with Thunderbolt ports known as USB Type-C. And those USB Type-C ports can be used as the power ports for charging, meaning that you can charge your MacBook with any USB Type-C ports. Both of them comes with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, 4.2 Bluetooth, but 5.0 from the Pro Touch ID. Both of them are equipped with FaceTime HD camera, full-size backlit keyboard, Force Touch trackpad, and they come with either 8GB of RAM or 16GB of RAM. Regarding the storage, both of them comes with the base model of 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB SSD from the Pro, while 1.5TB from the Air. This is a bit different. Okay, so now let's take a look at some other differences between these 2 flagships. Let's talk about the spec first. The Air comes with 8th generation Intel dual-core processor, 1.6 GHz, dual-core Intel Core i5. And it has Intel UHD graphics 617, while the Pro comes with 2.3 GHz, dual-core Intel Core i5, and it has Intel Iris Plus graphics 640, which is good for video editing or photo editing. The Air and the Pro comes with 13.3-inch LED backlit display. However, the brightness from the Pro is 200 nits brighter than the Air. The battery of the Air can use up to 12 hours through wireless web and 13 hours through movie playback. However, the Pro can only use up to 10 hours for wireless web and 10 hours for movie playback. Other features: well, the thickness of the Air is from 0.16 to 0.61 inch thin, with the weight of 2.75 pounds, while the Pro has only one size of its thickness, which is 0.59 inch thin, with the weight of 3.02 pounds. Well, another point to look at is the price. The price range between these 2 gadgets are a bit different. If you look at the Air starts with the base model from $1,200, while the Pro starts from $1,300. However, if you aim for Pro Touch Bar and Touch ID, you need to add $500 more. Okay, so which one should you buy?
Well, it depends on you guys. It depends on what kind of project you are planning to work on. Are you planning to use the Mac for office work, study and stuff like that? If so, I think the MacBook Air is a better choice for you guys because it's thinner and lighter, so it's easier for you guys to carry along wherever you want to go. So it's fantastic. Okay, it's less heavier than the MacBook Pro. However, if you are planning to use the Mac for video and photo editing, the Pro is more suitable for this kind of projects because the Pro is designed to work on this kind of heavy projects. That is why it has been named as Pro. But it doesn't mean that the Air cannot perform what the Pro can. Like video editing, photo editing, it doesn't mean that the Air cannot do this kind of jobs. But you might experience the slow processing of the MacBook Air while working on this kind of heavy projects, this kind of heavy applications. So my recommendation, if you are planning to use for heavy projects something like that, or video contents like video for the YouTube or something like that, I would like to recommend you to go for the Pro, not the Air, because you're going to regret if you buy the Air in the future. Okay. Well, one more thing is the size or the thickness of these two flagships are not far different from each other. So I would like to highly recommend you to go for the Pro than the Air, because who knows that in the future you are interested in working on video, your traveling video, your vlog, you are interested in making vlog in the future. So Air won't be useful in the future if you are planning to work on the video one day in the future. Okay, so I think should be all, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please let me know in the comment down below which one is your favorite and which one you are planning to buy and why you are buying one of these. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thanks.